Hi students, welcome to the ZAK English Crash Course, ZECC 101. This is the channel of the English language which will help you a lot for the competitive exams as well as for your academic exams. The academic exams like from 9th metric, first year intern, graduation level, master's level, all the academic exams, they've got science subjects as well as one of the portion of the English language. So to grasp the hindrances, the problems, the obstacles, or any other kind of the issue in the academic exams, you have a portion of the English language. So to grasp or overcome all the difficulties, all the hindrances, all the problem of the academic exams, you can follow this channel, and you can learn all the types, all the methods, all the patterns of the exams of your academic career, and hopefully you will qualify the exams through this channel to sit for the competitive exams. So for qualifying the competitive exams, you have also one of the part of the English you have to qualify as a compulsory subject. So as a compulsory subject of the English language, you have to qualify one of the part of the competitive exams. So the competitive exams like Federal Public Service Commission, CSS, SPSC, PPSC, BPSC and KPSC exams, which you have to qualify the exams through the English language. If you don't know even English language, you'll not be able to even qualify any single paper. So English is must or indispensable. Very strong portion of the English is there to qualify, to help you to qualify your exams. So you all are welcome in this channel to qualify your academic career or your academic exams as well as for the competitive exams for your career, for your jobs. Hi students, हम आपको इंग्लिश क्रैश कोर्स में वेलकम कहते हैं। जैक इंग्लिश क्रैश कोर्स एक ऐसा क्रैश कोर्स है इंग्लिश का जो कि हमारे कैरियर में, हमारे एकेडमिक कैरियर में हमें हेल्प करेगा। फॉर एग्जांपल एकेडमिक कैरियर जैसे कि 9th मैट्रिक, फर्स्ट ईयर इंटर्न, ग्रेजुएशन लेवल और मास्टर्स लेवल, और इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेजेस, फॉर एग्जांपल इंटरनेशनल लेवल तक, जैसे कि हम अगर कहीं फॉरेन सेटल होने जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर भी हमें दिस चैनल वुड हेल्प यू लॉट ऑफ द टॉफल, द कोर्सेज ऑफ द आइल्स. We will start online session of the courses of the TOEFL, online session of the courses of the IELTS for the qualifying of the international exams. फॉरेन कंट्री के अंदर एग्जाम के लिए जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर भी आपको एग्जाम्स क्वालिफाई करने के लिए TOEFL या IELTS की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो IELTS या TOEFL के लिए भी आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो आइए हम बिल्कुल ही बेसिक से स्टार्ट करेंगे. The basic of the English language starts from the very beginning, alphabets and as well as the letters of the English language. So let's get started.
ZAK English Crash Course.
So this is the first letter of the English language. That is the A. That is vowel. This is B, that is consonant, and this is C, consonant. This is D, consonant. This is E, E is a vowel. This is F, F is a consonant. This is G, G is a consonant. This is H, H is a consonant. This is I, I is a vowel. This is J, J is a consonant. This is K, K is consonant. This is L, L is consonant. This is M, M is consonant. This is N, N is consonant. This is O, O is a vowel. This is P, P is a consonant. This is Q, Q is a consonant. This is R, R is consonant. S, S is consonant. This is T, T is also consonant. This is U, U is a vowel. This is V, V is a consonant. This is W, W is a consonant. This is X, X is also consonant. This is Y. Y is an honorary vowel. Y, the last letter is Z. This is also consonant. So this was all about the consonants as well as the vowels of the English language, that is called the alphabets, as well as the letters of the English language. After a short break in the next lecture. Take care.